Promotions allow sellers to offer buyers a fixed amount or percentage off an order or a buy one get one free offer. To create a promotion, the seller must define the product selection for which the promotion is valid, and they will set a schedule for when the promotion is live. Promotions can be combined together, so more than one promotion can be applied to the same order or same product in the same order. Sellers also have control over the messaging which is displayed when the promotion is live. Vouchers and promotions do have similarities, but there are also some differences. A voucher can either be money off or percentage off, whereas a promotion can be money off, percentage off, or a buy one get one free offer. On promotions, you have more control over the settings. On promotions, you are furnished with a code which can be distributed on other channels, for example, social media. Promotions are also combinable, so a seller can set up multiple promotions which can be applied against the same order. Promotions are accessed from Advertising Manage Promotions. From this page, you can create a promotion, manage your current promotions, or manage your product selections. Promotions are applied to a subset of the products in a seller's inventory. To create these subset, go to Manage Product Selection. To create a product selection, you need to create the product selection type. This can either be a list of your SKUs, a list of ASINs, a category or a browse node, a brand name, or a combination of the above. I'm going to choose ASINs and click Create Product Selection. From here you will give your selection a name, an internal description, and also add a list of ASINs. Let's call this Test Selection 2. Once your product selection has been created, it will appear under the Manage Product Selection list. To create a promotion, either select Money Off or Get One Free option from the Created Promotion tab. Let's select Money Off. The first step is the conditions. This is where you set the parameters for your promotion. In this case, it's a money off promotion, so the purchaser must buy at least one item. You need to select a list of ASINs, so I'm going to select this list of purchase items which we created previously, the product selection, and that list is the test ASIN selection. You can select here to give the buyer either money off or percentage off. We're going to give the buyer 10% off. Applies to the purchased items. Next, it's the scheduling. So this is the dates when the offer is valid, and we give this an internal description. Let's give it test description. Finally, the additional options. Sellers need to be very careful when setting up the additional options of their promotions. Single-use claim codes can only be used once, whereas group claim codes are designed to be widely distributed and can be used an unlimited number of times. If you select none, it means that this promotion will be automatically applied to qualifying baskets. If you select group, you have the choice of preferential or unrestricted claim codes. If it is preferential, only one code will be applied to each basket. If it is unrestricted, then an unlimited number of codes can be applied to each basket. So you can get different promotions combining on the same basket and giving a large discount. This is the code which you would distribute on social media or wherever you want to promote your promotion. You can create your own code by entering it here. If you click on the customer messaging part, you can set the text that appears in checkout and also the text which appears next to purchased items. You can also set terms and conditions. Once you've finished setting up your promotion, you can then click Review and Submit. To view your live promotions, you can go to Manage Promotion and perform a search to see a list of your promotions. You can then view or edit your promotions or clone them if you want to create a similar one. Here's an example of what a live promotion will look like. Here the seller is set up, so you save 20% on qualifying items from a particular brand when you purchase 2 or more. It appears on the listing detail page under the price. Thanks for watching this video. For more content, please subscribe to our channel or check out our Amazon playlist. You can also see more hints and tips at our website, which is vendlab.com/blog.